Well, hello everybody, it's that time of year again. The race season is on its way, it's about to start. And there's a few jobs to do on this rally car. One being the heater. I'm currently getting a wet foot, so let's get this in the workshop and let's have a look what's gone wrong. See you soon. Okay, so here we are in the workshop. Got the rally car in, and this is the new heater. So quite an easy job really. This has actually come out of that one. So the heater matrix is leaking, so rather than change the heater matrix, we're just going to change the complete heater. What we'll have to do then is the old heater out of the rally car that's currently leaking, we'll put a new matrix in that, ready to go back into the project car. So all we're going to do is we're just going to strip these pipes off and then we'll swap it over, and it's a dead simple job. I'll show you how it's done. Right, so here we are inside the rally car. Heater's there, dead easy. It's just two screws, which are Phillips screws, up underneath. Disconnect the two hoses and out she comes. So let's get it out. Okay, so we've got the old heater out. I'll just show it you close up. So it's quite easy to get out. There's two screws at the front, so that's how you'd see it. So there are two screws which are there and there. You get to them from coming up, Phillips screws. And then on the back, it just hooks on with those two bolts there and there. And that just hooks on, then you can tighten them up. They're 11mm. The other thing to watch is the wiring, just one plug and obviously a wire on the switch. So you disconnect the wire off the switch, disconnect the live feed coming in, and then disconnect the hoses, and it's out. Dead simple. Okay, so we're in the car. Two brackets, one there on the bulkhead and the other one there. So let's get the heater in.
Refill it.
So I'm just going to hook the back in.
That's one.
Connect the pipes up. Oh, I forgot to put the Jubilee clip on it.
Maybe twice, cut once. Right, Jubilee clip.
There we go. Right, tighten that up. The wire. Into the, will it connect to that? Do that one when it's in, the wire on the switch. And this is the awkward bit now.
Nice. Try and be clear.
The air hose back on. Right. Yeah, we've got quite a bit on there. As fast as the hacksaw, Dad, junior hacksaw. Oh. He's gone. Don't matter, I'll get it. I'm going to trim a little piece off the pipe just to we've got a nice new That's it. Jubilee clips on. Push that on there. Ooh, that's it. That's it. That's trapped up there. There we go. Air hose on there. Tighten up the Jubilee clip. First thing we're going to do. So that's it. It's all in. All we've got to do now is top the water up with the antifreeze mix as well, just so we've got the right mix in there, stop it freezing. So another job done, and it's nicely watertight and I won't be getting wet. Bring on the rally season.